Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to assign an IP address into an interface. As you can see, I have different interfaces. I have a gigabit Ethernet in R1, and I also have a fast Ethernet, and I have Ethernet interface, which is very old type of Ethernet connection, and I have serial connection, which we are using in lab environment in the future. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to assign an IP address. Then we're gonna set up static routing to talk to the PC, talk to R2. Basically, from PC1 should be able to ping R2 S00 or serial 00 interface. Let me assign a couple of IP addresses in here. I'm not going to do any subnetting, therefore I'm going to use different IP addresses scheme. So I'm going to put 24 192.168 100.24, and I'm gonna put 192.168 200.030 in here, and I'm going to assign 192.168 200.430. Just quickly submitted. So those are my IP address scheme. As you can see, I have DCE connection in here, which means we have to assign clocking rate. I know this is new to you guys, but in lab environment all our routers are DTE connection, or data terminate equipment. DCE mean data communication equipment, where router decide how fast can transfer the data. Usually in our labs we are assigning 64,000 kilobits per second. Right, so to start with, I'm gonna go to R1 interface and assign this interface in here, which is gigabit 10 interface, and then fast Ethernet and so on. Okay, let's get our super party. Right, so first of all, R1. Now in R1, when you are in this mode, I hope you remember this mode, we use the privilege mode or privilege mode. If you issue command const, or if you use configure terminal command, you are in global configuration mode. Then you have to go to, you must go to interface level to assign an IP address. Now if I put int gi10, which is my gigabit Ethernet 10 interface, first thing I'm gonna say, description, connection to PC1, then IP address 192.168.100.254 for the interface, 255.255.255.0. Not short. I just assign my first IP address. As you can see, the status is up. I just assign my IP address into gigabit Ethernet 10 interface. Now PC and assign the first usable IP address to PC. So IP 192.168.100.1 0 192.168.100.254, which is my default gateway. We'll check the duplicate address. If there's no duplicate, the IP address will assign to the PC1. Now if I ping 192.168.100.254, first ping might fail, but the next 4 should be successful. Good. So we just configured the PC IP address and R1 gigabit Ethernet interface. If you want to check what IP address you assign, there are really cool commands in iOS devices, especially with Cisco devices. First one is show IP interface brief. This command will show you what address you assign to the gigabit Ethernet, and status is up and protocol is up. If you see this administratively down, which means you didn't issue the no shutdown command. If protocol down means check the cable connection or physical connection. So it's not physically connected, or there's a problem with the wire. Right. Now I have another network in FA00. So if I go to, again, I'm going to use shortcut conft int FA00, IP address is 192.168.200.1. Is that right? Yeah, 200.1, 255, 255, 255, 252. Let's put description as well. Let's put connection to R3 Ethernet interface. Okay, I will show you the description command is very useful. I will show this later on. It's a very useful command. When you issue the show run command or show run config command, you can literally, figure which interface is connected to R3 or R2 and so on. Right, so we just assign that and put no shutdown command to bring the interface up. Now the first R1 is completely configured. Then let's go to R3 and try to quickly get this thing done, because I have only 10 minutes with this software. Right, so it's Ethernet 00. If I go to conft int Ethernet 00, IP address 192.168.200.255.255.255.2. Shut description. Connection to R1 fast Ethernet interface, something like that. You can put anything in the description. Right, next one is serial. Please pay attention when I configure serial. I'm issuing a new command. It's called clock rating. So please pay attention on that. So int S0 0, yeah, 00, IP address 192.168.200.5, 255.255.255.252. Clock rate, it's 2 words by the way, 64,000. Shutdown.